Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going through the process Roblox gift card is not working, easy fixing process. First, let's know about the causes of Roblox gift card not working. Invalid prepaid card. If your prepaid credit card has not been registered or the submitted billing information does not match the billing data on the prepaid credit card, you may encounter the Roblox gift card not working issue. Then, invalid, expired, or redeemed Roblox gift card. If you acquire the Roblox gift card from a lesser known third party reseller, this is likely to happen. Unsuccessful payments. This can be caused for various reasons such as bank server issue, network issues, and insufficient balances, etc. Expiration of the membership term. If your Roblox membership term has expired, you may be unable to use the Roblox voucher and Roblox gift card. Then spelling mistakes. If you enter the wrong spelling when you are trying to redeem your gift card, you will not be able to use it normally. Now head over to the solutions. Solution 1 is use a valid prepaid card. If your prepaid credit card has not been registered or the billing information submitted at the time of payment doesn't match the billing data on the prepaid credit card, you may encounter the Roblox gift card not working issue. To avoid this situation, you better do verify that the billing information you provide on Roblox exactly matches the registration information you provide when purchasing a Roblox gift card. If the information is not matched, you should try to contact the prepaid card company to resolve the issue. Now, solution 2 is make sure the gift card is reliable. If you bought the Roblox gift card from a less well-known third-party reseller or retailer, you may encounter a Roblox gift card not working issue because they may have sold you an invalid, expired, or redeemed gift card. To avoid this situation, you better buy it from some famous online stores like Amazon, Walmart, or Target. Then solution 3 is ensure payment success. If your Roblox gift card payment is unsuccessful, you can encounter the Roblox not working issue easily. That could be caused by various reasons such as bank server issues, network issues, insufficient balances, etc. If the initial transaction fails, do not attempt to repurchase because this failed transaction may result in pending charges, putting a hold on your card's balance for up to 10 days. Solution 4 is renew your membership. If you used a reloadable card to pay for a recurring Roblox membership, you may have the Roblox gift card not working issue after the membership expires. As a result, you must check that your membership is current and has not been terminated owing to the end of the term or for the other reasons. Solution 5 is check spelling mistakes. Enter your gift card code perfectly. Solution 6 is contact Roblox support. If none of the solutions above are able to help you fix the Roblox gift card not working issue, you should try contacting Roblox support. They will help you fix this error. So, follow the steps mentioned in this video properly and also double check the code that you have entered is correct. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.